Hi there, this is the new amplifier from Copland CSA70. Is the most inexpensive amplifier from this company. They just announced this model. It's based on solid state components, no tubes as the other models that Copland has. We can see now how beautiful it is, how well treated is the face. The volume control has numbers. You see how beautiful it is to touch it and how to adjust the volume. The red button there is the standby. We can turn on the amplifier by press this red button and wait some seconds in order to warm up and start up, and then we can play with the volume. It has a remote control, do not worry about being there if you like to be on the sweet spot. So there is a headphone input, as you say, so 6.3 millimeters. This is the source selector, the analog source selector. There are 3 analog inputs. There are 4 digital inputs, included USB DAC and 2 optical, 1 coaxial, and has a Bluetooth module optional. This one has it on, that's why it has an antenna input. It has a phono stage as well, and is fully equipped amplifier, 70 watts. You see how beautiful it's made. The knob there is to select the digital inputs, not the analog, the digital inputs. We're taking a look inside now, deep unboxing, the toroidal transformer we see there, and the 2 capacitors from the Japanese company. And then we see the big heat sink here that the power components are installed on. So it's marvelous inside as well. We see the power transistors here from one channel. You see how well are installed on the heatsink, and we see how well the components are arranged on the board. So this has high level of architecture here. We see the 2 capacitors there, the toroidal transformer, and the cabling. It's very nice. 12,000 microfarads is each capacitor, 80 volts. We see the digital board now there. We have a Wolfson DAC. Here we see the capacitors from above, and the white blocks there are the relay for the input selector. So the Alps for the volume, we have a motorized Alps. So you see the whole beauty now, how well is standing in front of us, the inside and the front side. Copland CSA70, 13 kilos, and as we said, 70 watts at 8 ohms, minimum load 2 ohms. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.